10 skills you need to succeed at almost anything. 1. Public speaking. The ability to speak clearly, persuasively, and forcefully in front of an audience, whether an audience of one or of thousands, is one of the most important skills anyone can develop. 2. Writing. Writing well offers many of the same advantages that speaking well offers. Good writers are better at selling products, ideas, and themselves than poor writers. Learning to write well involves not just mastery of grammar but the development of the ability to organize one's thoughts into a coherent form and target it to an audience in the most effective way possible.
A person who is a master of the written word can expect doors to open in just about every field.
3. Self-management. If success depends on effective action depends on the ability to focus your attention where it is needed most, when it is needed most. Strong organizational skills, effective productivity habits, and a strong sense of discipline are needed to keep yourself on track. 4. Networking. Networking is not only for finding jobs or clients. In an economy dominated by ideas and innovation, networking creates the channel through which ideas flow and in which new ideas are created. A large network, carefully cultivated, ties one into not just a body of people but a body of relationships, and those relationships are more than just the sum of their parts. 5. Critical thinking. We are exposed to hundreds, if not thousands, of times more information on a daily basis than our great-grandparents were. Being able to evaluate that information, sort the potentially valuable from the trivial, analyze its relevance and meaning, and relate it to other information is crucial and woefully undertaught. Good critical thinking skills immediately distinguish you from the mass of people these days.
6. Decision making. The bridge that leads from analysis to action is effective decision making, knowing what to do based on the information available. While not being critical can be dangerous, so too can overanalyzing or waiting for more information before making a decision. Being able to take in the scene and respond quickly and effectively is what separates the doers from the wannabes. 7. Math. You don't have to be able to integrate polynomials to be successful. However, the ability to quickly work with figures in your head, to make rough but fairly accurate estimates, and to understand things like compound interest and basic statistics gives you a big lead on most people. All of these skills will help you to analyze data more effectively and more quickly, and to make better decisions based on it. 8. Research. Nobody can be expected to know everything, or even a tiny fraction of everything. Even within your field, chances are there's far more that you don't know than you do know. You don't have to know everything, but you should be able to quickly and painlessly find out what you need to know. That means learning to use the internet effectively, learning to use a library, learning to read productively, and learning how to leverage your network of contacts. And what kinds of research are going to work best in any given situation. 9. Relaxation. Stress will not only kill you, it leads to poor decision making, poor thinking, and poor socialization. So be failing to relax, you knock out at least 3 of the skills in this list, and really more. Plus, working yourself to death in order to keep up, and not having any time to enjoy the fruits of your work, isn't really success. It's obsession. Being able to face even the most pressing crises with your wits about you and in the most